Hello, I am Benoit Serina, the author of Shinkanji. This is a tour of Shinkanji version 2.3. First, let's have a look at the main screen. Up here, the input method toolbar. You will use this bar to select the kanji you are interested in. Here is the currently displayed list. Here is a large view of the kanji. And here, the readings and the meanings in several languages. Down there, additional controls. Here we have the bookmark icon. By clicking on it, we will be able to bookmark the current kanji. Here, I have to select one of the existing bookmark list or add a new one. By clicking on edit and plus, I can add a new category. Done. Selecting it, I have put my kanji into this new category. Here we have the play button to show you how you should be drawing the character. You can then stop, play, stop. Up here we have a setting button. Here you can see all the settings available. This one enables you to make the stroke order diagram more or less transparent and make the stroke order diagram play fast or slow. You can turn on reading in Romaji or in Kana. As you can see, the readings are now in Kana. You can set the database to automatically update or not. And you can turn on or off the animation for when you're going back or forward within the list. You can decide if you want to display uncommon kanjis, and you can also decide which of the meanings you would prefer to see, which language you would prefer to see in the meanings. So for example, I can select French, and I will see the French meaning, or if no French meaning is available, the English meaning. On the screen, you can also tap on the kanji, and you have a close-up on the kanji with more controls on the stroke order diagram. Plus, you can see here on the bottom the decomposition of the kanji into sub-elements, either sub-kanjis or radicals. And you can see at the top the kanjis which contain the current kanji. You can see here. This way, you can navigate through the structure of the kanjis. If there are many kanji which contain the current one, you can scroll this way. The previous and next buttons here will enable you to go back to the previous or next character that you have just viewed. Tapping again on the big character will bring you back to the main screen. Now, let's take a better look at the input method toolbar. The first input method is handwriting. With this, you can write the kanji that you want and select it in the list. The next method is the radical search. With this one, you can select a radical, eventually add the number of strokes that you are looking for, and you can see here all the kanjis with this radical and 8 strokes. You can also combine several radicals. For instance, I can add this one, and only one kanji can be found. Do is they enable you to go to a previous or next character within the list. Next element in this case, the iron or sulfur.